Those are unopened, but these are like my reserve.
Yeah.
So when I run go on this one, I'll add PhD to one of those and test it.
Okay.
Right?
Oh.
So you take this, pour it in the solid bottle.
Mm-hmm.
Normally you won't do it. Like if it's running too low, you let me know.
Okay, got it.
Right?
Yeah.
Normally I don't want you to handle that.
Yeah.
If it's a weekend, you really have to do it now.
Okay.
That's the only situation you will
Okay.
not do it. Otherwise, just let me know and I'll do it.
Okay.
Right? But that's good. And then you will turn the pump back on. So while we are waiting,
Those also seem like specific vials. Like
Specific vials, yep.
Are those here also?
Yeah.
Okay.
okay, so let's go to the sample session. What do I need? The thing is, I have to enter the size concentration. Can you take the SOP? Can one of you take the SOP? So this is my PCB,
Okay.
right? That I use to prepare sample. My PCB supplies are over here. Maybe not. And then we will also need these disposable pipettes. I'll have to take everything into room 314, the BC
Okay.
room, right? Because I need to weigh the polymer and I need to weigh the PCB. I need to enter the software that collects data actually admits precise concentration.
Okay.
So you need to give it exactly how much material you have.
Okay.
Right, so which is why I need to know. The scale that I have is in 314.
Yeah.
It's a fairly well ventilated room
Okay.
and PCB is not very volatile. So it's fairly low risk, kind of similar to what if you were working with.
Okay.
But this is very crowded. I have only one wood.
Yeah.
Alright. So let me put on gloves and then we can put.
Okay.
Can one of you carry this?
Okay.
Usually if I'm working alone, it's multiple things.
And then I'll grab a sample. Or no, you got it. How you feeling? I'm pretty good. Yeah. Even I can't eat salmon last night. It was sad.
Why were you getting salmon last night? What was salmon? Where was salmon?
Oh no, oh salmon.
Oh,
Like the food salmon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sad.
Well, still gotta stick to vegetarian, I think, for a bit.
Yeah. Salmon's also quite greasy.
Yeah.
So,
I think it was a fat roll.
yeah.
Yeah.
Very challenging.
It would have been nice to have I used to eat vegetarian. I'm like, I wouldn't have otherwise.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I can't wait to eat spicy.
I got some killer vegetarian recipes. If you would like.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the good part is I'm not that much meat. Shrimp has been really good to me though, so I'm gonna keep up with the shrimp.
Can you open the door? You already have a key to this room,
I
right?
do not have a key to this room. I'm not sure how to use one. Brent has a key, and I usually use his if I need to get over
I'll be out of here in 10 minutes. already have what 2 point something milligrams.
2.7, yeah.
2.7 milligrams. So I guess I can just pick it out and
Yeah.
put it in there. Alright. I use these A4 sheets to provide me a relatively clean surface, like fresh. So I bring
Okay.
them every week or so.
Okay.
Right. Because this cutting board is not really the cleanest
Yeah.
surface, right? Okay.
So is the sheet already in here?
It was in. Usually
Oh,
lives up
there.
there.
Okay.
So I usually have like 2 or 3.
Okay.
Give me the SOP.
Oh, I
What else do you- Alright, does it say? Yeah. Samples vial do not hold more than 1.5 mils safely. The solvent will expand when heated to fill the vial no more than 3/4 of the way. So we want to fill it up somewhere up to here.
Okay.
Right, not more than that. Right.
3/4.
3/4 roughly. And samples are generally made up to concentration between 1 and 4 milligrams per liter.
Okay.
So that's how I worked out. I mean, we know the density of TCB at room temperature, we know the density of TCB at 135 degrees Celsius, right? So use that to calculate your concentration at 135 degrees Celsius,
Okay.
right?
Got it.
So I have worked out that if I use 3.5 milligrams of sample and 2 grams of TCB, that is roughly 2.5-ish
Okay.
milligrams per ml, which is right in the middle,
Mm-hmm.
right? So I think for your sample with 2.7 milligrams, will still be more than 1 milligram.
Okay.
I think it will be okay. Alright, so I zero it. So when you are weighing stuff, don't try to lean on the table because that, see,
Yeah.
it records. It's not a solid table, right? Okay, how do I get it out?
Sticky.
Is this static or is this just sticky?
It might be a bit sticky.
Okay. Can I use something else? Maybe this too. Can you bring me that green?
This one?
This one. I think it has some isopropyl.
Okay.
I think it's static.
Still static?
Which one is this just?
This is a 5% Lonza.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the one I'm most interested in.
Same, yeah.
So how much did you say?
2.7 mix?
It says 2.8.
Okay.
I guess it's fine.
Yeah.
It's the last digit, right? It's
Mhm.
not most accurate. Now it went to 2.9. Okay. Okay. So I'll re-zero it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
2/7. Okay.
So the way I crimp it is I press it firmly from the top. See if I get small amount of grip, and then I lift it up so that gravity helps me keep it relatively perpendicular to this surface here. Right. I want to see this nice dent. It's not the best. I could have done better. Ideally, you don't want to be able to rotate this,
Oh, okay.
but PCB is relatively not volatile, so
Okay.
I think it's okay. I'm able, yeah. I'm not able to rotate it beyond this point, so it was slightly loose, but I think it's okay. Now, once it's crimped, you cannot uncrimp it.
Okay, yeah.
Right, the only way out for you, if you want to get the stuff out, you only have to cut it. Okay,
Yeah.
alright.
Did she prepare them?
Yes. I was so scared she didn't because we stayed until 7 last night. She wanted to finish something up.
Oh.
And I was like, yeah.
There were many times where I think she wanted to stay late, and I was like, then I'm leaving actually.
But
I did notice you were in lab for your practical, and I was like,
Get up.
how are you?
But if you have more than one sample, this we can maybe transport in this with our hands or in this water.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
But if you have more than one sample, we have those trays, those long GPC trays, white trays. You can bring them along, and it's much easier and safer to transport them.
Okay, then